Hi guys, I know I told you I'd give you an update on the snowfall that we had this past weekend. Well, we actually did get the 10 inches that they called for. It was actually a little less than the 10 here at my place, and after basically 2 days of 50 degrees plus weather, right here is just about all that's left. It's just this little bit here, and a little bit over there is about all that's left, and it's pretty much all melted. So I know my little kittens are loving it, because they get to run around and play without the hampering of snow. Well, I just wanted to let you guys know that everything's pretty good. There's actually wasn't very much flooding in my area. I'll turn you around and show you this. Show you how the creek is right now. This is actually the creek that on the last video of the PA flooding was actually flooding down through at my house there, and washed out my driveway. As you can see, some of the damage that it did from that flood up here across the road from my place, which was right there, and totally dug that out down in through here. Well, guys, I'll talk to you later.